In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pages in Confluence. First, start by logging into your Confluence site. Once you're in, head to the space where you want your new page to live. Spaces are like folders for your teams or projects, and choosing the right one up front makes it easier for everyone to find your content later. If your organization uses a page tree, make sure you're looking at the right area so your page lands in the correct spot. Next, look for the Create button typically at the top of the screen. Click it to open the editor. You'll see options for what to create. Choose page to start a standard Confluence page. On the right, you'll notice a template menu. You can browse templates if you want a ready-made structure, great for things like meeting notes, project plans, or product requirements. Templates come with headings and sections pre-filled, which helps you move faster and stay consistent with your team's style. If none of the templates fit, continue with a blank page. You can always adjust formatting as you go. Give your page a clear, descriptive title. Think about how teammates will search for it. Include keywords like the project name, date, or purpose. In the body, add your content using the formatting toolbar. Use headings to break up sections, bullet lists for quick points, and tables for structured information. You can paste or drag in images and files and use slash commands to insert elements like panels, task lists, or links. Confluence automatically saves your work as a draft, so you won't lose progress if you step away. Before publishing, add labels to make the page easier to find later. Labels improve search and help with filtering in reports or dashboards. Keep them short and predictable, and reuse your team's common labels for consistency. If your team follows a naming convention, stick to it so related content groups together naturally. When you're ready, click Publish in the top right corner. Your page will appear in the selected space, and it's now part of the page tree. You can return to edit at any time to refine the content as things evolve. If you started from a template, double check that you've filled in the placeholder section so everything is complete. That's it. Log in, navigate to the right space, create a page, pick a template or start blank, add a clear title and rich content, label it for easy discovery, and publish. Follow these steps and you'll keep your Confluence organized, searchable, and easy for your team to use.